Running Google Ads 24 hours, you might be wasting your ad money. Assalamu alaikum, smart peoples. Today we're going to discuss about Google ad scheduling or ad scheduling, whatever you say. So, most of small business or local business don't realize this option. They might be running their ads all day even when their business hour is closed. As example, suppose a local shop, his opening hour is from morning 8 a.m. to night 8 p.m. But what he is doing, he is running the Google Ads all day. So here's he might get he might getting clicks, impressions, but definitely he won't get any conversions because people will show his ad, but he can't respond at that time because he's not giving service the whole throughout the whole day. You are just giving service the specific time during a day. Okay, that's why scheduling is very important because this will save your many dollars. So let's jump into the screen and see how to schedule an ad campaign. Okay, so let's create another new campaign. Okay, skip leads, search, continue. Let's say our target is firm submission, then continue. Okay, uh, campaign settings. Okay, so after coming into the campaign setting option, scroll down at the bottom. Here you can see more setting options. Click here. Here you can see the ad schedule options. Click it. Okay, so here's the option you can see all day. So most businesses who do what, they just ignore this option and run their ad all days. Don't do it. Don't do it, guys. Select here. Here you can see you can schedule your ads Monday to Friday, or the business days Monday to Fridays, or Saturday Sundays the holidays, or maybe you can target your own or the way you want, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Like suppose I want to show my ad Monday at from morning 8 p.m. to night. Night will be 8, 9, 10, 20, 20, 20. Okay. Morning 8 a.m. to night 8 p.m. or 20 o'clock, whatever you say. In our country, we usually say our country is 12-hour clock. So that's why I'm saying 8 p.m., 8 p.m. Don't mind. Now you can add multiple days here. Add here like Tuesday, 8. You can here run ad in different. You want to suppose uh, you want to run Google Ads Sunday, Monday, Tuesday at a specific time, but Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, any other time. You can definitely do it. You can play with the time here. You can select different times, different durations, whatever you want. So most cases, in the very most case, your working hours will be Monday to Friday. Your working hour might be from morning 8 a.m. to 8, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 o'clock. 16 o'clock. 16, where is 16? 16. 16 o'clock. Okay. So just giving this simple setting, you can see here I am Suppose I am a business and this is my working hour from morning 8 a.m. to 16 o'clock. Okay, within this time my ad will show front of people. So at the time when people show my own people need my service, they will call me or they will fill up my lead. When they will call me, I can definitely respond their calls and make my conversion. Here my conversions will make. But if I don't choose this ad scheduling option, my when my working hour is not or my shop is closed, people will search my service, they call to me, but I can't reach to them. Here my business impression will get down. So guys, that's it for today. Please use the ad scheduling option while making any ad campaigns, and we'll see each other at the next video. Allah Hafiz.